case of the any fire or in case of the rough weather or in case of the any emergency. That time we will lower this live boat and I will tell you the lowering procedure. So when we have to lower the first, we have to open the lashing. So before loading, we have to make sure that we should open all the lashing. If lashing will be there, then it cannot be launched. So for the opening the lashing, we will first open this one. So this lashing will open, and after that we will remove the harbor pin. Both sides we have the harbor pin, so we will remove this harbor pin. So after removing the harbor pin, this live boat will be free from the letting go. So and then either we can let go from the inside or we can lower the live boat through the winch. So for the davit, so if we have to lower from the davit, so here the loading of the davit done by this brake, this is by the gravity, and when we have to give up the live boat, then we have to have the electric motor to give up the live boat. But lowering the live boat, there is no any electric motor. This will be launched by the davit only, this winch only. So for the lowering, just we have to pull this up, open this safety pin, and we have to pull this up. This live boat will start lowering. So now I will show how the live boat we have to start, the engine start, stop, and then I will show how we have to lower the live boat from the inside. We have the remote wire also when we have to launch the live boat without this, like there should not be remain holding on that. So we can lower this live boat through the remote wire also. You can see the remote wire, this remote wire is connected. This remote wire is connected over there inside the live boat. We have to, in the scenario like we don't have the time and we have to lower the live boat like from the inside. So all the person will go inside the live boat, and then from the inside we will pull the remote wire, and then it will same work as like the person who is holding this brake and picking up. So I will show from the inside. We are making entry into the live boat, and I will show the procedure of the live boat from inside, how to launch, and also the procedure of the starting of the live boat engine and the start tiller, emergency tiller, everything I will show. And before entering into the live boat, make sure that the wire, the charging wire, that should be unplugged from the here. So already I unplugged from here. And then also the for SSC, we have to use the FBD before launching. We have to apply before launching. Just this is for the emergency. We are using the FBD because we are at the sea. When we have to lower the live boat, make sure that we have to remove this FBD. Loading the live boat from the inside, like if everybody boarded the live boat, then after the boarding the live boat, so we have the one here, the remote wire. So this we have to pull, same will work like when the winch we have to pull up. So we have to just pull this live boat, remote wire downside, and the live boat will start loading when every lashing is removed. So now I will show the procedure of the live boat engine start. So before starting the engine, make sure that your live boat battery, so this is the battery number 1, number 2, we have the 2 battery. So before starting we have to switch on this battery. After the switching on the battery, so we'll switch on this ignition. So ignition, when we will switch off the ignition, then we can note that okay, we will check the oil pressure, we'll check the temperature, we'll check all the lights. So switching on the light from here, and then for the starting of the engine, so when like in the cold weather or like we have to preheat the engine. So preheat the engine, we have to remove this key, we have to rotate this key left side, and we have to hold for like 10 to 15 seconds depend upon the temperature of the outside, the temperature, weather temperature, and then we'll start like this. So engine will be started. So live boat engine, after they started, this is the levers for going ahead, stern. So this is the telegraph of the live boat. So just we have to go ahead. So we'll click ahead. And so we have to click. We have to keep the stern. So stop the live boat engine, we have to just pull this wire and the engine engine will be stopped. So for trying out, we'll again try out with another battery number 2, because this should be started on either battery 1 or 2, and of course when like in the emergency we can switch on both. So this is the backup battery, so number 2 will start, and then same we'll do, little bit preheat, and then we'll again make the start. So like this, just we have to rotate this switch, and then again we'll try out forward. And this is the wheel that we have to rotate, both side is our side. So full board, and then full starboard. So again, then we have to stop the engine. So we will just pull this wire, and then engine will be stopped. So we have the emergency purpose. We have the magnetic compass. When we have to navigate, we have to navigate this lifeboat. So we can use this magnetic compass for navigation. And we have to try out again once with the both on the both battery. So again on the both battery again I said this already started, and again then we have to switch out again engine for cooling this. So after this offing, we'll switch out. So this is the tiller. So when our this steering is not working, so in that case we have to we can use this emergency tiller. So emergency tiller is just we have to remove this rod, and then so like again same like port starboard. So we can like maneuver like this. Like this. So this is a very like easy, one person can handle. So this is the releasing mechanism. So like when we have like two types of releasing mechanism, on load and off load. So when like we have to release on load, so when we have to release the on load, that time we have to break this glass, and we have to break this glass, then we have to lift up this yellow one. You can see the yellow one. We have to lift up manually, then we have to lift up, and then we have to release. So on load release mechanism is used when we have to launch the lifeboat through above the water, not on the water, above the water, like 1 meter or 1.5 meter above the water, like in the rough weather when we cannot load the lifeboat fully into the water. That time we are using the on-load release mechanism. And when we have to release the offload, when lifeboat is fully waterborne, and that time we are releasing this. So that time, because after releasing this, then only the hydrostatic, all this hook will be unhooked. So after releasing this, so you can from inside also you can unhook your release. So release mechanism will work when offload. So just we have to, in the offload, no need to break this glass. Just we have to lift up this, and then you have to pull this handle downside. So it will be released. So both forward and upside, this releasing mechanism will be released, and then so the lifeboat will be fully away from this releasing mechanism. So this is only the procedure, and
August 2027.
so when releasing this penter, so this is for the releasing of the penter from the inside, because as you know we have secured with the penter forward and up. So releasing from the inside, so we can just we'll pull this wire, and the penter will be released. So this is the TPA, thermal protective aid, and this is the water packet, and this is the food, like for the emergency. This all the items are used, and inside this we have the water and food. That side also that we have the water, and inside this we have the lifeboat, all the equipment, TPA, radar reflector. We have the pyrotechnics, everything inside. We have present a medical first aid kit. So all the whatever the lifeboat equipment is should be there. All the present inside this box. So for the emergency we can use.
So this is the diesel oil tank for our lifeboat. It has the capacity of 120 liters. There is a marking, we can see from there that the fuel level is okay. So checks done.
So we have the lifeboat engine spare parts. So in case of the emergency, like some small air filter, everything, like all the when we require like in emergency something like a small work, so we can repair from all the equipment for the engine spares, and also the list is there, whatever present inside this engine spare box.